the your left-hand side of that big barky tree. Sort of up.
You're going to fall it down the hill, but try and land on the road, are you?
Yeah.
Right.
Coming straight out.
Yeah.
You're going to be going down the road a bit.
Yeah, that's all right. We're up the hill.
What he does, not what?
No, it's not that long to have it makes it.
Oh, it'll
I reckon it's too straight.
in person what he is.
He's safe for Sydney.
Love salt.
It smells good, doesn't it?
So what, you're going to put it down through there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. It'll drag all the mines down. And he said something about, have you got a...
Here we go, here we go. Oh, moving. Moving.
Yeah.
He's got it.
Go on, Dave!
He fucking got that, eh?
Here we go!
He fucking got it.
Beautiful.
He fucking got it.
How much fucking force is that?
That's fucking spot on.
Yeah. Fucking beautiful. Yeah. Although it's going to get hung up.
Right, actually,
That they come down with a fucking lot of
Yeah.
that's a little bit southeast. I'm a bit disappointed.
We got this from the compilation disc.
Yeah, this one's going on.
Would have been a bit more.
What was it like at the bottom, at the base of it, Dave? Is it solid?
Oh, good.
Look at it.
Beautiful.
Top job, Dave.
That's fucking, that's spot on, and then the rest is hiding for next time.
I will cut what we got and
Yeah.
Hey, you just dice up into nice little
Yeah.
easy carry logs.